Welcome back, guys. Former Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachangua, who was impeached by a motion that was tabled by Mutuse, who is the Member of Parliament for Kibwezi West. Rigathi Gachangua has told the President of the Republic of Kenya through his lawyers that he has no hunch or no willingness to work with him to bring the Kenya Kwanza manifesto into a reality. So the former Deputy President was impeached by the House of the Senate and that of the National Assembly in November, and he has said that he is not going to come back after he was reinstated by the Court of Appeal, after they appealed and said that the impeachment was not done according to the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. And the former Deputy President has said that he is going to leave the office of the DP, but they should pay him until when he was supposed to retire in 2027, and they should give him all the allowances that he demands that are given and are set by the Constitution of Kenya, that they should be offered to the second in command in the country. Through his lawyers, the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachangua has told this, has sent to President William Ruto and the Kenya Kwanza regime that he is not coming back to work, but they should pay him according to the court which brought him back, and saying that the impeachment was not done according to the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachangua revealed how Deputy President Rigathi Gachangua revealed how they ousted him from office using unlawful wants or unlawful grievances that were aired by the Member of Parliament for Kibwezi West, Honorable Mwenge Mutuse. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachangua has abandoned his bid for reinstatement and is now seeking full-term compensation, citing unlawful impeachment. Gachagua's lawyer, Paul Mwite, told the court that the petition would be amended to demand salary arrears, allowances, and retirement benefits. The ex-deputy president adds that the due process was ignored during his October 2024 removal, claiming Article 145(1) was not properly applied. If successfully, Gachangua could receive over 40 million in unpaid dues plus a lifetime pensionable pay paid at 8% of his 1.2 million monthly salary. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachangua, who formerly shifted gears in his legal battle over his impeachment process, the former Deputy President, abandoning his earlier push for reinstatement, and now demands full-term compensation, including all benefit and damages tied to what he has described as unlawful impeachment by the MPs of the Republic of Kenya. Appearing before a three-judge bench, Gachangua, through veteran lawyers Paul Mwite, notified the court that he would be amending his initial petition. The new strategy, Mwite explained, would focus on financial redress and constitutionally accountable rather than political reinstatement. The move marks a dramatic change in tone from the former second in command, who previously framed his removal as a betrayal of the Kenyan electorate's will. The petitioner wishes to challenge the legality of his impeachment and will be seeking leave to amend the prayers. He will be asking for the money he would have earned, and he served the full 5-year term. Mwite told Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Murima and friend Mugambi that Mwite made it clear he wouldn't pursue any interim reliefs, instead urging the court to fast track the matter by scheduling the soonest available hearing date. The petition is not a matter of public interest. It's a personal matter that directly affects the petitioners, who is the impeached, Mwite ended. The court allowed the request and scheduled the case for mention on Friday, July 18th. Gachangua, who served barely 2 years in office before being impeached in October 2024, was entitled to gross monthly salary of approximately 1.2 million. This included a basic salary of 706,000, a house allowance of 300,000, and other official perks like commuter allowances. Under the Retirement Benefit, Deputy President and Designated State Officers Act 2015, He would also qualify for a pension equivalent to 80% of his monthly salary, and he completed the full term. In his revised petition, Gachagua argues that he was not wrongfully removed, from office, but also subjected to a process that violated multiple constitutional provisions. He cited Article 145(1), insisting that the threshold for impeachment was not met and the standard of evidence and fairness were ignored. Gachagua's political downfall was sealed on October 17, 2024, when the Senate upheld the National Assembly's vote to impeach him. 11 charges were leveled against him, ranging from gross misconduct to abuse of office. Allegations he was consistently denied and termed politically motivated. The former deputy president insists that the impeachment proceedings morphed into a public attack on his character and family rather than a lawful inquiry into his conduct as a state officer. In court document, he claims Parliament turned the process into a political witch hunt and failed to uphold his constitutional right to a fair hearing under Article 51. So Gachagua said that he is not coming back to work with President William Ruto. And the president, together with the government of the Kenya Kwanza regime, should pay him whatever he has lost if he would be the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya as of today. We are waiting to see on which move the president and his Kenya Kwanza regime are going to take as far as the former deputy president who they impeached, Rigathi Gachagua, is concerned. So what do you think, guys? Will President William Ruto, through his sweet tongue, sweet talk Gachagua, and bring him back to the government, or he is going to beat his chest and allow Gachagua to go on tarnishing his name and ignore the court orders that reinstated the former deputy president as the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya as far as the voters are concerned? What do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Janjala Mjini KE. Let's meet in our next video.